So dito po sa naging action po ng NBI in the service po ng isang search warrant. Kamusta po sir yung naging operation po na yan ng NBI OTCD na inabot na raw po siya ng madaling araw? Kamusta po?
Well, the operation was a success insofar as the NBI Organized and Transnational Crimes Division being able to collect what we believe is sufficient evidence. Now, because of that, we are ready to return the warrant and the inventory sheet to the issuing court for the court to be notified that there was an affirmative result of the operation. And then from there, we will have to wait for the disposition of the court on the matter.
Opo. So, itong mga nakuha sir, ano ba to? May pera po ba? May mga dokumento po ba? Ano ba sir yung value po nakikita niyo po rito?
Well, there are plenty of documents. Meron ding cash, although minimal. Well, the value there is somehow we will be able to cross-reference these documents to those we already have and at the same time pwede ikumpara doon sa mga statements earlier given by witnesses who came forward and offered testimonies para malaman natin at magagamit ba ito sa ating pagpa-file ng kaso.
Opo. So yung ibang mga concern lang po ng ibang tao na baka yung pong mga dokumento rin ay intentionally pong nilagay nung bago po dumating ang NBI units po sir. How does NBI intend to go about it? May validation po ba mangyayari?
Okay, tama po. In fact, we anticipate na may lalabas ng ganyan mga kwento. Kami naman po, being NBI agents, we adhere to the principle of thoroughness and legality. And when you talk about thoroughness, that would include validations ng mga dokumentong nakuha. Hindi naman po agad tayo naniniwala hook, line, and sinker. Kinakailangan dumaan sa masusing na pag-evaluate kung ito ba ay itinanim lang o talagang genuine ang kanilang presence doon sa area.
Opo. Sir, idugtong ko na lang din po yung sa Interpol Red Notice po ni Zaldico. Ano na po sir yung status po nun? At tama po ba sir, NBI ang nag-apply po nito?
Okay, ang NBI po, through our International Operations Division, sent a request to the Philippine Center for Transnational Crimes, which in turn forwarded our request to the Interpol, yung International Criminal Police Organization. Now po, ito po ay under evaluation pa. Ang huli naming na-check is actually being evaluated by the Notices Diffusion Task Force in terms of its form and substance. Kapag po na-aprobahan ito, ay malalaman po naman niyo agad.
Apo. Sir, isang huling hirit na lang po, balikan ko lang po yung operation po kagabi. We understand, sir, na bukod po sa mga kwartong pinasok po si Nurse thoroughly, ay meron pong 3 volts na inabutan po ang ating mga operatiba. Kung ito po, sir, ay nakalak, paano po nagawa ng paraan na makakuha po ng access doon ng NBI operatives po natin?
Well, nandun naman ng mga lawyers, we make it a point that the opening of the vaults, whether it be forced open or be open in terms of us being able to know the combination, is actually done in the presence of the lawyers and the other occupants and the building administrator. So kung ano man po ang pamamaraan na ginawa ng NBI doon, ito po ay sanctioned naman ng korte.